Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix SIM card not working or network error after software update on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and you will see, click on this power icon and click on restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, so if you want to fix this problem, remove SIM card and tray. And after remove SIM card and tray, so clean SIM card and tray with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning, again insert SIM card. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down and click on reset. After click on reset mobile settings. After click on reset mobile settings and click on reset setting, enter your phone pin and click on continue. Click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix SIM card not working or network error after software update on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.